When you realize how powerful you truly are, everything in your life changes. The moment you realize how easy it is to step back and allow things to be and simply sit in the vortex, in Source, in God, in the universe, everything shifts immediately. The past, the present, and the future, you have ultimate control over your divine destiny. I want you to tell yourself this: I could see peace instead of this. This is from A Course in Miracles. We always have a choice, and thinking we don't have a choice is indeed a choice. We can choose peace, but it must start in our mind. Our ego will try to convince us that it is outside world that needs to become calmer, and only then can we find peace. This is incorrect. Our true self, the spiritual self, knows that once we find peace, everything outside of us will be in harmony as well. It is from our peace of mind that a peaceful perception of the world arises, not the other way around. So here's a quote that you can tell yourself: I can replace feelings of depression, anxiety, or worry, or my thoughts about this situation personally or event, with peace, love, the highest vibrational frequency that we are truly. Every day, every moment, this is who we truly are. There is nothing to fear. Fear can be a showstopper, holding us back from seeing the truth. Ask yourself, where in my life is fear taking over? We can feel so locked down and trapped by our fears that if we weren't careful, they control our every move. It feels better to make our choices from a place of love, hope, compassion, versus fear, anger. You see how these low vibrational states of being, they encompass our being and they rule our lives. The presence of fear is a sure sign that you are trusting in your own strength. Fear is a good thing if you don't identify with it. The awareness that there is nothing to fear shows that somewhere in the mind you have remembered God, and let this strength take the place of your weakness. Take the place of your weakness, replacing the low vibrational frequencies with higher ones. You have the ultimate power to do this every single moment. How would you feel right now if you had the car you wanted, the love of your life, the house, the life that you dream of, the dream life? How would you feel? Doing this exercise, we all know this exercise, the great Neville Goddard. If we maintain the 3D conditions, all those feelings, the anxiety, the regret, the pain, the angst, the reactivity, there's no way that we could ever communicate to Source what we truly are. The only way is to step away through meditative practices. I have a meditation that's right there in the description, grab it. It's a very powerful meditation that will allow you to step away, and then you can incorporate all of those feelings of that which you desire. And I guarantee you, I absolutely 110% guarantee you, your life will change drastically. So here's the hang up. People do this, but as soon as the meditation is over, they're right back in the muck. Right back in the muck. If meditation is hard, if it's a challenge, embrace that challenge. Step into the uncertain feelings that allow you to break through. You need to break through all the fuzz, the static. And a lot of people call this breaking out of the matrix. It's hard at first, only if you believe it to be hard. If you believe, I need to meditate for 2 weeks, for 4 months, before I'm going to be in that space where I can sit in source consistently and attract the things that I desire into my life, then that will happen. My advice to you, believe it is possible now. Right now. Look at these clouds. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. It is your divine right. Harness the power of who you truly are. You cannot manifest any better than you already are at this moment. The process, the technique that you're trying to use that you're getting no results with, drop it. Drop it. You are the best you could ever be right now, forever. When the pain is too much, remember, it is still your choosing to identify with these feelings. So, what do I mean by that? It's our choosing. We have the divine right to choose what we experience in this 3D linear timeline. Now, we're all under the impression that all timelines exist simultaneously right now in this moment. And I believe that. I think that is true. And I think it's very, very powerful that we realize we have the power to choose. So when things get too rough, when they're really, really intense, meditation breaks us away and allows us to create space around whatever it is we don't want, okay? But what we don't want can always be there. Everything can always exist. It is your choosing. Step back from it through meditation. Put space around everything in your source, in your vortex, Then you will have true high purpose. You will have the truest of the highest faculties to guide you. And man, it's hot out here. So when we finally, now I'm not saying let go of the pain, let go of the struggle, let go of the situations and all the circumstances. Letting go means stepping back to allow things to be, and then we can connect with our highest faculties. We can then, that's where affirmations come in. I'm the man. You need to wake up every freaking day. And it's so easy to become reactive, go down in the dumps. You know what I mean? It's so easy. Every damn day. You need to wake up and realize whatever you're feeling is just, you're molded onto it. You're grabbing onto this pain and trauma and negative feelings and whatever it is. Step away from it. From there, introduce a new I am. Now, how do we do this? Through meditation. In the morning, our brains are in theta. When we're in theta, it's, oh my God, we're so impressionable. In the morning, when we do this, we are truly connecting with our highest faculties, our higher self. You know what I'm talking about. It's always there with you. There are many different spirits and guides all around you at all times. How do you connect with them, and how do you create space for them to guide you? Meditation. It's the only way I've ever found to do that. I have one in the description, grab it. It is by far the most powerful meditation that I've ever made. And I still use it from time to time because it just works, man. It just works. Grab it, it's in the description. So, what do you think about those clouds? Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. I dig it. Could you imagine waking up every day controlled by emotions, by circumstances, by the past? The first thing you have to do is grab your coffee. I cannot function without coffee. I remember those days. Now I wait a long time before I drink coffee. Thank you, Andrew Huberman. Stepping away from 3 linear conditions. truly stepping away and realizing your true purpose in life, your higher faculties will guide you. Step into uncertainty. Do the hard stuff. Wake up in the morning, write some affirmations. If that's the beginning process. If you're advanced, well, now we need to sit in meditation. We need to single out each one of these little instances that you think are trying to rule your aura, your energy, your vortex will show you. And when they pop out, that time in 5th grade when little Timmy pushed me down the stairs, that may be shown to you. This is advanced meditation. This is shadow work. Then the coach can help you identify, and through conversation, through tactics, through techniques of allowing and changing the emotional state that you identified with at that particular time in time-space reality, you can change the past and the future. As soon as you become aware of it, you have begun this process. It is time for you right now to stand up. Put your damn foot down. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. This ultimately puts you in a new dimensional reality where everything you want can occur. Simply becoming aware. Where the awareness goes, the energy flows.